Mushroom and lentil tacos with creamy garlic avocado recipe. Yield 4 servings. Prep time 10 minutes. Cook time 20 minutes. Total time 30 minutes. Ingredients: tacos. 1 medium yellow onion, diced. 2 teaspoons 10 milliliters vegetable oil. 2 cloves garlic, crushed. 5 cups 500 grams mushrooms, coarsely chopped. 1.5 teaspoons 7.5 grams Cajun spice mix. 1 teaspoon 5 grams cumin powder. 1 teaspoon 5 grams paprika powder. 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper or chili powder, optional. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. 2 cups 400 grams cooked brown lentils. 2 tablespoons 30 milliliters ketchup. 8 small soft taco wraps or shells, GF if desired. 1 cup 100 grams purple cabbage, thinly sliced. 1 cup 175 grams whole corn kernels. Ingredients: sauce. 2 limes, juiced. 2 cloves garlic. 1 teaspoon 5 grams cumin powder. 1 medium ripe avocado. 2 tablespoons 30 milliliters unsweetened plant milk. Directions. 1. Add the onion and oil to a large pot on high heat. Sauté until the onions turn golden, about 8 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons 30 milliliters water and repeat as needed to deglaze the pan and prevent burning. Add the garlic and sauté for another 2 minutes, stirring occasionally. 2. While the onions cook, prepare the sauce by adding all the ingredients to a blender or food processor and blending on high until smooth. Set aside. 3. Decrease the heat to medium-high and add the mushrooms, allspices. Cook until the moisture that is released from the mushrooms completely evaporates, about 8 minutes. Add the lentils and ketchup, stir to combine. 4. Serve on hard or soft taco shells and top with cabbage and corn. Drizzle on the garlic avocado sauce, and enjoy. Notes. 1. Speed it up, forego the spices mentioned and add taco seasoning mix instead for a quicker meal. 2. If cooking your own lentils, 3/4 cup 190 grams dry lentils yields 2 cups 400 grams needed for this recipe. If possible, soak lentils before cooking. 3. Variations: add any additional vegetables to cook, such as red bell peppers. Try adding textured vegetable protein to make mock meat texture. Add toppings of your choice such as lettuce in place of cabbage or shredded carrots in place of corn. 4. Storage: store in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 4 days. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends. For most informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel.